Today on World Mental Health Day 2025, under the banner of UNICEF's global On My Mind campaign, we are proud to launch the Youth-led Mental Health Audio Challenge, an initiative we are implementing in partnership with Spotify, using digital platforms to raise awareness and reduce stigma around mental health in Timor-Leste. The challenge aims to remind young people and their families that taking care of our mental well-being is just as important as taking care of our physical health. As part of this challenge, we co-created a video with young people from diverse backgrounds sharing their insights and experiences. Let's take a moment to watch a short trailer of the video, and let's hear from young people as they remind us to be kind to ourselves and not to be embarrassed to talk about our feelings.
I'm never really good at it. I would just say, just cry.
I think I grieve collectively in a sense that I grieve with my family, I grieve with my relative.
My how relationship ho emaseluk ne afeta tebes mahani vida.
It's okay to feel tired. It's okay to feel not to be okay because you are a human being.
Ita-nia gori how dalabarak hanesan Bali we have post-traumatic stress disorder.
Nafating esforço babot na bemaka fo valor may ita-nia rasya.
Personally, how aga trust issue itu ang wema.
First thing first, sa makahalong maka how I distance myself from technology.
Yes, it's okay to open up. It's okay to ask for help. And it's more than okay to speak comfortably about mental health with people you trust. We're also excited to announce that Season 1 of the global On My Mind podcast has been translated into Tetum, making it more accessible to young people across Timor-Leste. This podcast, co-created with young people and based on UNICEF-led research, includes 8 full episodes designed to improve knowledge, attitudes, practices and behaviours amongst young people, specifically related to their mental health. Together, let's continue to break the silence, reduce stigma, and build a future where mental health is understood, respected and supported, even in the face of catastrophes and emergencies. Thank you, and happy World Mental Health Day.